Okay, I chose the movie Lars and the Real Girl. The movie's about a man named Lars Lindstrom. He has an office job and lives a pretty normal life. Lars' mother died a long time ago, and his father most recently died and had a battle with depression. Lars goes back to his hometown to visit his brother and his brother's pregnant wife in their childhood home. Lars brings his girlfriend Bianca on this visit, but what Lars' brother is unaware of is that his girlfriend is a life-size doll who he created a whole life for, and Lars even has explanations as to why Bianca does not eat, speak, or move. Lars suffers from what is described as schizophrenoid personality disorder, which is a condition where individuals avoid social interactions or human contact at all. Lars's brother and his wife end up tricking Lars into thinking Bianca needs to go to the hospital, where they take him to see a therapist to get evaluated instead. This condition is downplayed in society all over the world to just social anxiety or being an introvert. In the movie, they give us evidence that Lars has this disorder because Lars hates being touched by anyone and tries to have short conversations and just gives short responses to anybody who tries to start a conversation. One symptom that Lars doesn't really show in this movie is relationship avoidance, because he does make a fake girlfriend just to put himself in a relationship, although it does show a girl who works in the office with Lars who tries to show an interest for him, but he shuts her down every time. The best treatment for this disorder is therapy, and it's the only treatment that's been found effective for this. The only problem that might occur is that Lars, throughout the movie, doesn't talk about his feelings, and that's one of the symptoms that they show for this disorder, is they don't like to talk about things or even talk to anybody, let alone talk about their feelings or get to the bottom of why they are how they are. I think this movie did their best to portray this disorder and shine light on this topic. It is hard because they have to keep the show or the movie very interesting for viewers to watch, although I do think that they did the best to spread awareness over this disorder and really bring light to an overlooked disorder.